Welcome to virtual class of physical education class 11. Lesson 6 physical activities and leadership training. Today topic is role of leader. The general functions of the leaders remain some but specific functions vary from group of groups. The importance of leadership in the field can be seen in the functions which he has to perform. Following are the role of a leader in this field. Number 1, provide a vision. Providing a vision for the entire team in the single most important role of the leader. Team members cannot be expected to participating in a common efforts in they don't know two goals. When team members know the vision and goals, they are more focused and understands how their individual role help to drive the success of the business. Structures the situations. Leaders should be absolutely clear about what they want to accomplish. The leader's functions to be structures the situations for the group's members. He interrupt the actual situations by clarifying the doubts. He has to observe every situation minutely to help the groups to reach the goal smoothly. Control group's behavior. Leadership involves a great deal of controlling exactly want happiness in the team. Leaders has to strive hard to prevent certain types of individual differences which are against the best interest the team. He has to enforce the rules to maintain the discipline in the team. Plan for the groups. The leader has to decide the ways and means by which the groups achieve its goal. He has to make sure as well as long plans, and it's up to him to determine which one is the executed and which one is confined to only few. While making plan, he should have every aspect in his mind. He continually look for ways to make it easier for his team members to do their jobs. Execution of plan. Execution is an important factor of achieving the aim or objectives of the group. So it is leaders' responsibility to see that the plan of executed in a right way, because the success or failures of a plan depend upon the way of execute it. Evaluate of progress. Whenever there are problems, misunderstanding or difficulties within the team, leaders are examines their values, their goals, their activities, their assignment and their responsibility. They are more concerned with what right than with who is the right. They are more concerned with winner than with not losing. High performance team run by excellent leaders are determined to perform in an excellent fashion. Leaders as a representative. Leader is the role representative of the group. He has to speak for the benefits of the team. He should fight for the members of the team. He is the main person who has to speak for the group Great leaders always put themselves out of front and speak for their team members in very circumstances. Leader as an effective role model. Leader should demonstration and behavior desired from the rest of team. Leaders who display outbursts of anger make spend discussion with on range to the optional outcome from the team. Demonstration encourage attitudes show favoritism for some team members, withhold information from the team members, cross-casting on important discussion, tolerate lack of accountability, demonstration, demonstrate inconsistency or fail of listing of their team will not be the respected by the team and like will not be successful in achieving their goals. Creating leader through physical education. Physical education programs are planned with the aim of all-round development of an individual. However, careful selections of such programs and intelligent guidance in right direction can help to promoting qualities of leader, classrooms, playing field, campus, and tours, etc. Provide many opportunities where hidden qualities of optional leaders can be guided suitable some opportunities and steps enhancing qualities of leader in children are number 1 appointing a student as a leader of mass exercise. A student can be appointed as a leader while conducting mass exercise program. This will help him or her to have confidence and it will help him because future leader. Number 2 interesting and responsibility of organizing and conducting minor games. Physical education teacher can be appointed students for assigning the conducting minor game in school. This will help to creating a sense of responsibility in students. Appointing a student as captain of a team. A student can be made as a captain of a team. In this way, he will know how to control all the members in his team. He will be able to understand better that a team is minor important than individual. Assigned duty for preparation of the ground. A student can be assigned duty for preparation of ground. He can help other ground staff and assign them in creating better facilities for ground, sport, games and sports. It will help to getting more disciplined and he will know how to help others. Allowing a student to officiate in intramural competition. Physical education teachers can interest and students to officiate intramural competition. With this, firstly, the students will be able to know a process of conducting such programs and they will also know how to be fair with all teams. Appointing a student as a member as well as in charge of various school committees. The physical education teacher can also student take on a variety of the roles within a school committee formed on the conducting intramurals. In this student can be an increasing of members of various committees formed. This will allow to students to practice leadership A student who is in charge of ground and equipment committee will have for responsibility or clean of right equipment, and he will be answerable for any problems during physical activities. Children often